Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I've been having a little radio silence on my end. I've been busy with doing some holiday stuff, so I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and yeah, welcome back. Today, well, let me start off by saying that this video will be a video that was filmed over the course of multiple weeks, but hopefully this weekend I can get the electrical set up, which I was supposed to do last weekend, but unfortunately ran into an issue which you guys will see later. So yeah, thanks for everyone who's been asking and supporting me and watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. And I hope that this might inspire people to do something like this on their own. Alrighty, hey everyone, welcome to this next part of the bus build. This time we are building the electrical system. So we got two of our batteries here. They're two 200 amp hour Renogy sealed lead acid batteries. And then we have our 1500 watt Ames power inverter charger. And yeah, we're just I got my friend Wyatt over here. We're gonna be just kind of figuring out how to place it on the ground and how to wire up some of the wiring. I'm thinking getting running the wires to the roof. That way I have it set, my 12 volt system set up for the lights and for the fan, and then having an outlet in the kitchen that's going to be here, an outlet for the desk, an outlet over by the pooper. That'll also be used for the couch. We can connect it up there, and then we'll have a couple in the bed area. So yeah. Let's do it, Wyatt.
Do it.
Alright guys, we've been spending this weekend working. Yesterday didn't get as much done as I'd hoped. Had to do some other things, had to buy some materials and do a lot of learning because there's a lot of stuff I clearly don't know about electrical systems. But over here, do you want help?
I'm good.
We got
now
Maggie.
to hook that time.
We got Maggie over here taking measurements. We're going to finish up this back wall. She's going to work on that. I'm over here working on a mounting system, or well, at least a battery holding system to make sure they don't move around. One of the biggest issues that we'll have is with vibration and movement and stuff like that. The friction could potentially wear down the battery flooring or the battery walls, and I don't want anything to leak. So what I did is took just like a rubber doormat and cut it up. So I'm going to use it to kind of just give little buffer spaces, absorb some shock. And then I'm going to take these brackets and put them on here with a piece of rubber in it and make a holder. Today we are going to work on getting this back wall up. So Maggie's going to work on cutting that out. We got some paneling here with some design on the back side. So that'll go on the back wall over there. And then she's going to start working on this wall over here. And while she's doing that, I'm going to wire up the entire electrical system and try my best not to electrocute myself. So
Fingers crossed.
Stay tuned, everyone. So here we are digging all of this out. If you see, it's kind of hard to see, but it's full of water. You can see it kind of splashing out there. It's just full of water. I mean, this wood is, I can move this wooden beam with my hand. So slowly but surely, electrical system is on hold for the weekend because we got to make sure we don't have any water near our important batteries, right? Whoopee! How do you feel?
Powerful. Really.
Alrighty guys, so we got all of these gaps cleared out. Now we just gotta let them dry overnight. And, you know, luckily it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we'll be able to see if there's any more leaks coming from these windows. And if we are dry by tomorrow morning, then we'll be in great shape. But yeah. Alrighty, so what we got going here is we got these vertical support beams, and then just for extra stability, we got some of these metal plates. And we got this horizontal beam here, just to prevent these vertical ones from moving left and right too much. But yeah. So we're going to get those all the way down. Maggie is measuring them out over here and drilling pilot holes so we don't split the wood. Alrighty, we got all of these wall structures in place. But yeah, a lot of people will show you the easy things about the build. And this isn't one of them. But yeah, this is what we had to do instead of the electrical system. This just goes to show that the entire weekend that you have planned, if you do a build like this, could potentially go a different direction.
That's true. Was not expecting to say anything.
All right, right now we are wiring up our DC wires. I have already wired up my 110 Romex wires that are gonna run to my outlets. So right now we're just trying to figure out, you know, good ways to secure these wires. It's my buddy Austin. He came to help. Say hi.
What's up?
So right now we're running the lights for the puck lights, or I'm sorry, the wires for the puck lights. They're gonna go here. So we're gonna have two here, two here, and then two over here, and then we'll have to wire it all. And we're gonna make them all come over here, come down this wall, and then they're going to go on the inside. There's going to be a hole right here, and it's going to run to my my 12-volt breaker box, which I've got right here. So I can connect those up, and that'll be my DC system. And then you can see these are all the house wires, and those are going to get wired up here in this Homeline load center, rated for 100 amps. Welcome back. Today Maggie and I are going to work on the electrical system, and Maggie's going to work on a few other things while I'm finishing up some of the wiring. So Maggie, if you want to tell everyone what you're doing.
So we have to get the hole drilled for the water tank, and then we also have to figure out where to run the tubing for the shower. Once the bed is in, and it's going to be about this level, we're gonna have cubbies because we have an extra foot of space going this way. We're gonna put the shower box, as you see, we're gonna put that inside that cubby about this height. So once that's built in, we can just take this out when we're ready to shower. Make sure everything around us is like a shower curtain, like sealed. And then we can shower right here. And that shouldn't be too bad running the wire from the water pump either. So that should be good. Then I'm also going to insulate those 2 windows, get those boards in to support our like backboard for our bed almost, and hopefully get that wall fully insulated if we can cut the holes today, but we'll see. We'll see how far we get.
Let's do it. The electrical system is starting to take shape. I cut some of that 4-aught wire to connect my batteries. And here we have our 12-volt system. We have the wires coming out, which those are all the wires, and they're coming out on this side of the wall. I'm going to hook them up to that panel, but yeah, slowly but surely starting to take shape. And in the meantime, Maggie's over here killing it. She's filling in some of the extra insulation that we need to put in place, so good thing that'll be done when she's done.